Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. A very happy new year to all of you. Before starting today's video, I would like to ask you a few questions. She works hard, she works hardly, or she hardly works. Another sentence, I have never seen such things. So here I would like to ask you, can you identify adverbs in these sentences? Or do you get confused between adverbs and adjectives? Can you identify which sentence is correct? She works hard or she works hardly? Let me tell you here, like here when you see she works hard. So here this hard is an adverb. She works hardly. When you see this sentence here, hardly. Actually, grammatically, this is an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence will be she hardly works. Okay? And here, I have never seen such things. If I ask you to find out an adverb, what is the adverb? Can you guess? Let me tell you. Here, the adverb will be never. I've never seen such things. Alright? Did you get confused when I asked these questions? If yes, then this video is for you. So in this video today, I'll talk about adverbs and the types of adverbs with lot of examples, so do not skip it at all. If you were confused about adverbs, you are going to get a lot of information in this video, so do not skip. Let's start quickly without wasting our time. So first of all, you must know what is adverb. I always try to give you some easy way to understand. So what's that? First of all, you read the name, adverb. Here you are going to add something. Okay, so those words which add some meaning to the verb, they are adverb. Okay, but here will not be stick to verbs only. So those words which add meaning to a verb or which add some information to verb, or those words which modify or describe the verbs, or adjectives, or adverb. In fact, those words which add meaning to an adverb also, or those words which modify a sentence, entire sentence, they are called adverb. Okay, this is the simple way. Now, the definition: an adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even an entire sentence. Simple. Now, these are the examples. He swims well. He ran quickly. She speaks softly. She coughed loudly to attract her attention. He paints beautifully. So here I have already highlighted all the adverbs in red. These are the adverbs in the sentences. So you can see or you can identify like these are the verbs. This is subject. So subject, verb, and this is adverb. Why? Because it is adding meaning to verbs. He swims well. If you ask how does he swim, so you will say well, he swims well. He ran quickly. If you ask how did he run, then you will say quickly, he ran quickly. So in this way you will find out the adverb in a sentence by asking how in such kind of sentences. Okay, but it's not limited to how only. There are other ways also to find out adverbs in the sentences. So adverbs usually answers questions like how, when, where, how often, and to what extent. Okay, so these are the simple words. If you ask a question starting with these words, you will get the answer in adverbs. Okay, so let's start types of adverbs. How many types of adverbs are there? Kinds of adverbs. Number one, adverb of manner. So adverb of manner, you will get the answer for adverb of manner if you ask a question by how. Okay, when you start your question with how, you will get the answer in adverb of manner. So they tell how an action is done. In the beginning I gave you some examples. So when you ask how, so you will get the answer word, that will be adverb of manner. For example, he walks slowly. So how does he walk? You will get he walks slowly. Slowly is your answer, and that is adverb of manner, because they tell how an action is done. How? Okay, that's why you will ask how. She laughs loudly. How does she laugh? She laughs loudly. So loudly is adverb of manner. They danced well. So here how did they dance? They danced well. So here well is an adverb of manner. And she cooks quickly. How does she cook? She cooks quickly. So quickly is an adverb of manner. So an easy tip is this: most of the times adverb of manner ends with ly. Okay, slowly, loudly, quickly, in this way, bravely, softly. So you remember that most of the times, not always, but most of the times, we have adverb of manner ending with ly. Okay. Now another type of adverb is adverb of place. And place, it's very clear by its name that when we ask the question, you will get the answer in adverb of place. Okay. And the main words which we have for adverb of place, like you are asked to find out adverb of place, so just underline these words: here, there, inside, outside, everywhere. So these are the words which denote some place. Okay, so that's why these are adverb of place. For example, please sit here. Where? Here. The children are playing outside. Where are the children playing? Outside. So outside is adverb of place. He looked everywhere for his keys. So where did he look for his keys? He looked everywhere. So everywhere is adverb of place. Now the third kind, adverb of time. So how do you ask your time? By asking when. Okay, so when you ask when, you will get the answer for adverb of time. And the main words which we have for adverb of time: now, then, today, yesterday, tomorrow, soon. And these are the main words. So if you are asked to underline, or if you are asked to identify which type of adverb is it, and when you see these words, now, then, today, yesterday, tomorrow, soon, you can easily tell this is adverb of time. Okay, for example, I'll call you tomorrow. So here, first of all, you will underline tomorrow. This is adverb, and this is adverb of time. Okay, now she arrived late. Because it is related to time, so it is adverb of time. So when did she arrive? She arrived late. So this is adverb of time. We met yesterday. So yesterday is also related to time. When did you meet? Because you are asking your question by when. So this is adverb of time. Now next, adverb of frequency. What's that? When you ask your question like how often, you will get the answer for adverb of frequency. And the main words are always, usually, often, sometimes, never. When you see these words, you underline them as an adverb and identify them as adverb of frequency. For example, he always wakes up early. So here, what will you do? You will underline always, and you will tell this is adverb of frequency, because you will ask how often does he wake up early? Always. Okay, so always, never, usually, seldom, like that. She often reads books. So here, often, they never lie. So never is an adverb of frequency. Now next, adverb of degree. And degree, you will ask question like how much, and you will get the answer for adverb of degree. Main words are very, to, quite, almost, enough. These are the main words. So you will underline them whenever you see in a sentence and identify them as adverb of degree. For example, the tea is too hot. Too is an adverb of degree. Okay. She is very intelligent. So very is adverb of degree. I am quite satisfied. Adverb of degree. Okay. So these are the words in red. These are the adverbs. Okay. Now next kind, adverb of affirmation and negation. Affirmation like positive, negation negative. For example, whenever you get your things like yes or no type, then you can understand that these are the adverbs of affirmation and negation. For example, yes, certainly, surely, not, never. So these will be considered in this kind. So usually these are not very important adverbs, but then also I am including them for you, for your better understanding or wide understanding. So for example, he will certainly help you. Certainly. So this is affirmation. So this is adverb of affirmation. She's not at home. So not. So this is adverb of negation. I'll never forget this day. Never. So this is, because this is the negative sentence, never. So you will say that never forget this day. So you are talking about something like in negative manner. So that's why this is adverb of negation. Now interrogative adverbs. So here it's very simple. You will get the question words. Okay. So question words will be there. You will underline them and you will identify them as interrogative adverbs. For example, when, where, why, how. Okay. So in this way you will get these words in a sentence and you underline them. For example, when will you return? So what is an adverb here? When. And this is adverb of interrogation or interrogative adverb. Where do you live? So where is an adverb. How did you solve the problem? So how is an adverb. So I hope you have understood all the adverbs, types of adverbs, what is an adverb, and it's easy for you, I hope, to find out adverbs and to identify their kinds. So thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe to watch more videos like this.